Today I'm chasing my dreams in New York City, a photographer's journey. Let's get it.
Hey man, free my nigga Rich P, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. But it's so hard, and then don't let this shit go to your head. I go over it. Alright. Nigga, gotta pay attention. Go. Yo, my day-to-day be crazy. Ain't never fitting, so they tend to call me crazy. But the way I hit the road could never call me lazy. Came up off of picking flowers, I'm in love with daisies. I let this money stop my mood, so I can't let them play me. Wanna get me in the booth, I told them niggas pay me. I've been working day and night, cause I know nothing coming free. I've been shopping, not the price, I get excited for the cheap. And I've been taking cat naps, cause I lose money. Might just shake her ass off. That's that cash talk. Type to fly around the world and make her ass walk. What your ass thought? Pushing P ain't have to tell her take her pants off. Girl with the Grizzlies in the paint, Zach Randolph. If shit running down on me, ain't need a handoff. Made that ass say it missed me, told her sound off. I could flip a pack, but I can't do a round off. No niggas trying to imitate, but this shit dead raw. Trying to get gangsta and bullet, doing fed talk. Let that man walk. Cause if I go with my move, could get that man chalk. What's your ass
Now, you guys, we just got into New York City. We flew American, you guys. I know you guys have been hearing a lot about the things that's been going on lately with a lot of the different flights and stuff. So we've been trying to be as safe and secure as possible when taking these flights and traveling in these different places. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to find some breakfast, get something to eat, use the restroom, and continue on with the vlog. Today I'm heading to New York City for 5 days to chase my dreams, create content, and to level up my skills in lifestyle and portrait photography. This trip isn't just about exploring the Big Apple, it's about pushing myself creatively, physically, and mentally to meet like-minded people, capture moments, and tell a story. Traveling has always been a big part of my journey as a photographer. There's just something about stepping into a new environment that forces you to see things differently. It forces you to adapt, to create, and to grow. And in NYC, this city is a photographer's playground. We're finally in the city, you guys. I'll make sure I got my microphone. I think I can hear everything. I got my wind muffler on as well. I'm shooting on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm gonna be using this all day today, you guys, and all day for the, all of the trip as well. But today's vlog, really not too much going on. It's really rainy today, really wet weather. The weather's not, fucking with us for real. So we're gonna just, do what we can because things are starting to get a little bit cold. Starting to get a little brick out here, starting to get a little brittle. My fingers starting to feel a little fucked up now. Oh, but there's snow on the ground. You see there's snow on the ground? Look. We in the trenches. There's snow on the floor. Oh, there's cars. You see the cars? Guys, look. Guess what? Taxi. Bruh, snow on the cars. Stop it. We just checked into we didn't check in, but drop them bags off. We already dropped the bags off, you guys. Now we're headed to a cafe. Gonna go get some work done. I got some editing to do and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get some of that done. And yeah, I think I gotta go down to my ISO because this thing looks insane like this.
Hey man, free my Rich P, man. Don't watch me. Christ like. Hey, good looking, Ashton. You heard that? Hey, good looking, Ashton. Alright. I let God in my life, then I switched the route. I never do it for the vine, I do it for the clout. I had evil in my heart, I had to pray it out. They tried to put me in a gang, I took the paper out. The Lord released me from my past, and I'ma say it loud. Yeah, I'ma say it proud. Ain't had no one in my corner, Jesus held me down. All I wanna do is see my mama and my granny smile. How I'm getting down, I be getting round. Phone buzzing, trying to find a way to put it down. Going pound for pound, trying to get the home base, I'm jumping off the mound. Seeing that I'm really blessed, so I can't slow it down. It's time to turn it up, trying to let go of my sin.
We're currently at this chill ass place called Paper, you guys. I want to try to pull it up and see if I can show you guys, but it's a vibe, bro. Like, the drinks here, stop it, okay? The food here, stop it, okay? It's actually really good. I found this thing on the whim. We were literally just walking, and I was like I looked up like coffee, obviously, because you know that New York is like known for coffee shops and stuff. So I looked up coffee, and then I saw multiple different ones, but the one that stood out to me the most was this one. On the Apple Maps, it was called Pepper, so P-E-P-E-R. But when I got here, it was called Paper. Like on the actual thing, it's called Paper. and it's right below a hotel. So the vibe in here, the ambiance in here is actually very immaculate. I'm effing with it, you know what I'm saying? I got you guys this way because a lot of people are in front of me, so I don't want to, like, you know, make them feel uncomfortable or anything. But yeah, bro, we're in here, we're vibing, and it's feeling good. I got me a nice little coffee. I got me an Americano. I would definitely have put, I got a hazelnut with caramel Americano coffee. You know, I'm trying to get on my coffee bag. But I definitely recommend putting a little bit, like something, I didn't put no sugar or no syrup in there. Definitely recommend putting some of that in there. I'm just taking little sips on this because we have, like, I got too many damn hours before we get into the hotel. So yeah, but I'm gonna just keep updating you guys as we go like this. Let me know if you guys like this, the way this vlog's going. Let me know if you guys like how cinematic, how vibey it's feeling. Let me know if you guys like how you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So for the gear that I brought, I know you guys are probably worried. I have my X3S trigger by Godox. I have my 24-70 lens f2.8 from Sigma. You guys, this thing is a tank. I love it. It's very sharp. I can do Super 35 more to zoom in whenever needed while doing runway shoots. 12-24 lens. This is a G Master lens. I am in love with this lens. That was my first ever G Master lens. I have my X3 Pro S trigger from Godox as well to be able to pair that with my V1 flash whenever I need it. I have my little G200 from Edifier. This is a little, you know, little MagSafe speaker. I have my clear audio headphones. These are open ear headphones. Those are pretty fire. I love to use those whenever I'm working out or doing something, but I still want to listen to music but be aware of my surroundings. And in a busy city like this, I need to be able to be aware of my surroundings. I can't really have my you know, active noise cancellation headphones or my over ear headphones on all the time because I won't be able to hear anything. And right here I have my little charging dock. This thing has so many different little USB ports. I can plug it in one wall outlet but be able to charge so much different things, and it's so small for me to be able to utilize on the go. I've had this thing for so long and I use it when traveling for literally everything. And for the cameras, inside of this Godox 8200 case, well, a shell case, LOL, I have my Sony a7R5 and my Sony a7S III. On the Sony a7S III, I put my 12-24 lens, and on the Sony a7R5, I put my 24-70 f2.8 from Sigma. So I put both of these cameras in, well, the camera bodies inside of this 8200 shell case because it helps me protect them, you know, from travel and stuff like that. So the jouet is, or the hack, right? What I do is I use a standard traveling book bag and I put different shells inside of the book bag. And what that does is it allows me to get a lot more space than I would with a traditional camera bag because I maybe need to put clothes in and stuff like that. So after I was unpacking up and getting ready for the next day, which the next day was, you know, will be the shoot day, I started going over some revisions for the music video for Draco. Had to do a little call with him and the editor to try to, like, you know, find out what we can get done and what things need to be changed as far as the music video goes. Then headed out to go get some tacos, went to a little spot, thought that it was hitting, but it wasn't hitting. Then we just, you know, walked around. We found a little bit of a jewelry spot right here, as you guys can see. Really, really deep. It's apparently like the #1 biggest jewelry store in New York City. So I don't know if that's, you know, don't fact check me on that, but that's what they said. Got me some tacos. Tacos was hitting. Can't lie, I had got some chicken tacos. Well, it was like a chicken quesadilla. They put it on the thing and you gotta like fold it. But basically to me it was a taco. Let me know in the comments. Is a taco a burrito and is a taco a quesadilla? Like what makes them all different? Then had to go get some gelati. You know the vibes. I had got like a little cookie crumble, like the one that like the little strawberry shortcake tasting thing, but it was like raspberries. That thing was immaculate. But yeah, that's pretty much where the night ended off. Thank you guys so much for tapping in with me and tuning into this day in the life in New York City, you guys. There's so many more videos to come. I just want to say I appreciate you guys staying on this little journey with me of 75 days of content. We've been going strong and we've been posting every single day at 6 p.m. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, taxi. The energy here is unreal. Every street, every face, every building. There's inspiration everywhere. Over the next few days, I'll be diving into street photography, fashion, and lifestyle shoots, all while documenting the experience and sharing my unique perspective. One thing about me, I don't just take pictures, I create moments. And in this city, every second is an opportunity. The goal isn't just to capture cool shots, but to push myself creatively and physically. So here's to chasing my dreams, taking risks, and doing whatever it takes for my shot in life here in New York City. Let's make something great. Let's make something legendary. If you're as excited as I am for 75 days of content, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.